Welcome, dear viewers. Join me as I challenge myself to create the most stylish and creative bun using only claw clips. Claw clips are a total game changer when it comes to taking your bun game to the next level. They can transform ordinary buns into stylish, chic looks effortlessly. Creating the perfect bun can be a real struggle, and many of us have been there. Spending hours in front of the mirror trying to get every hair in place, only to have it fall apart the moment we walk out the door. Time constraints are a major issue for most people, as we often find ourselves rushing to get ready in the morning. Difficulty keeping hair in place is another common problem, especially for those with finer or more slippery hair. Many people also struggle with finding the right balance between a bun that's too tight and one that's too loose. Some even experience hair loss or breakage due to excessive pulling and tugging on their hair. There are so many different types of claw clips available, each with its own unique features and benefits. From small, delicate clips to larger, more statement-making ones, there's a claw clip out there to suit every hair type and style. These clips work by gently gripping the hair in place, allowing you to create a secure and long-lasting bun without the need for bobby pins or other hair accessories. You can use them to create a variety of bun styles, from sleek and polished to messy and undone. For example, you can use a small claw clip to create a tiny, discreet bun, or a larger one to make a bold, eye-catching statement. Using a claw clip can completely transform your look, and it's amazing how easy it is to achieve a polished, put-together style in just seconds. Simply gather your hair into a bun, secure it with the claw clip, and you're good to go. You can also use claw clips to add some extra flair to your look, such as by clipping in some stray hairs or adding a decorative accent to your bun. To take your bun to the next level, you can try using multiple claw clips or experimenting with different clip placements and styles. For a more formal look, you can use a sleek and shiny claw clip, while a more casual, everyday look can be achieved with a matte or textured clip. The best part about using claw clips is how easy it is to achieve a stunning transformation in just seconds. By simply clipping your hair into place, you can go from a messy, undone look to a sleek and polished one in an instant. This is especially great for busy mornings when you're running late, or for special occasions when you want to look your best. You can also experiment with different clip placements and styles to find the one that works best for you. With a little practice, you can master the art of using claw clips to create a variety of stunning, stylish buns. Whether you're going for a sleek and sophisticated look or a more playful, whimsical one, claw clips are the perfect tool to help you achieve your hair goal. The benefits of using claw clips for styling buns are numerous. They save time, reduce hair loss and breakage, and can add a whole new level of style and sophistication to your look. With a claw clip, you can create a secure and long-lasting bun without the need for bobby pins or other hair accessories, making it a must-have tool for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite bun styles, ask me any questions you have, and subscribe for more hair styling tips and tutorials. I'd love to hear from you and help you achieve the hair of your dreams.